Bringing you back to the shores of Oahu, our dancers take you to the southernmost point of this island, to a national sanctuary for wildlife. It was a volcano that exploded some few million years ago, fell off into the ocean, creating a beautiful spot known as Hanauma Bay. This song was written quite a while back. Some of you may remember when you could drive down the road at Hanauma and park at the bottom and unload and enjoy a lovely, lazy day at the beach. Well, no longer can you do that, but luckily, the beauty of Hanauma still remains. Our dancers at Hanauma. Kilke. Ramen-Ya o Hanauma, tenai tu ono hala e Hawaiian Airlines. And they say, how we admire the beauty here at Hanauma Bay, that lovely ocean and those high surrounding mountain cliffs. Ua make make. Matinu-ia, ke ala nui ki ke e hoa tula I lalo, I ke kaha o ne a ke a. And one of our favorite things to do is to drive down that crooked old road. And when you reach the bottom, you see that lovely white sand beach. E kahua na kalehu-lehu, kalua na haoai, e ho'olo no I te a e nala, I sa leo hone o ke kai. And at the bottom of the road is that picnic or playground area. Makes us oh so happy as we listen to the waves rustle and kiss the seashore. Olu, 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 I te peahi, aramarani ahe, e olu I mali e I nala ua o ke kiave. So comforting it is, feels just like a fan, and we refer to enjoying the breezes as you relax in the shade of the kiave trees. Hana, Hana marika puana, Ramen-Ya o Hanauma, he nai tu ono Hawaii. Well, that hot universe brings us to the end of our story about the beauty at Hanauma Bay, the lovely ocean, and those high surrounding mountain cliffs. Haina Pau. Haina maita buana, Ramen-Ya o Hanauma, ke kaiku ono halai, Hawaiian Airlines, Hawaiian Airlines, Hawaiian Airlines. A story about Hanauma Bay. Mahalo, mahalo.